off the turn. They're off. That's Lake Hills Lisa between horses down along the inside. Ranchwood Ben-Hur with Painless Glass and into the turn. Lakewood Lisa takes the early lead. Painless Glass is second. Racing in third is El Dante. She tucks in third. Racing fourth to the quarter-mile pole goes Miss Sunbury with Ranchwood Ben-Hur. The leader is Lakewood Lisa length. The quarter, a bruising 28 2/5. Lake Hills Lisa leads by 2. Racing in second position goes Painless Glass. On the outside, Ranchwood Ben-Hur is third. Racing in fourth as they go to the 3/8 pole. That's El Dante in fifth position. Round the turn comes Miss Sunbury. On the front end, under pressure, Ranchwood Ben-Hur takes the lead. Racing in second, Lake Hills Lisa, the half-mile mark, 58 and a tick. Racing in third to the 3/4-mile pole goes Painless Glass. Out of fourth and on the move now. That's El Dante. Racing fifth to the 3/4 goes Miss Sunbury. On the outside, El Dante, Ranchwood Ben-Hur holds the rail. Lake Hills Lisa's third. Racing fourth to the upper turn goes Painless Glass. They go into the 3/4, regaining command by a head under pressure. That's Ranchwood Ben-Hur. On the outside, El Dante with Lake Hills Lisa third. They turn for home on the front end. The leader is Ranchwood Ben-Hur. On the outside, cooking up a wicked brew. That's the Pressure Cooker. It's the Pressure Cooker taking the lead and drawing away.